I can see some equipment which has come. Maybe they will come to fix the trees on top. Some of the trees which needs trimming. Recently I had seen this couple of trees being trimmed, and there you have the open air gymming for physical activities. And then you see the Humber River back on the trail, peacefully running. I think there's a hotel joining the river on the other side. So most of the western side is populated and eastern side is still fairly open. So you have a walk with intermediate cross sections meeting at each other's point, allowing you to either go back or continue with the trail. Today I plan to continue with the trail up to the St. Lawrence West mostly.